Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest. What's your name? Azaria. This is my daughter Azaria. So today, what are we going to be making? You don't know?
Yeah.
What's this?
Poulet.
Poulet, which in French means chicken.
Chicken.
So today we're making chicken wings.
Yeah.
Chicken wings. So today is Super Bowl and I thought it would be appropriate to share a very simple and easy way that we like to make our chicken wings.
Yay.
Woohoo! Okay, so let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing we like to do, let me move this away. The first thing we like to do is to let everybody know what we're going to be using today. Okay? So, we will be using some chicken wings from louder. Costco.
Yay.
I love it too. And then as a side, we will be adding some carrots to dip in some ranch sauce. We have 3 green onions. I heard that. Excuse her. And I have 2 of my favorite spices. You want to shake with mommy? Shake. So we have garlic. Nope, don't open it yet.
Okay.
We have garlic.
Okay,
And we also have Montreal, where my mom is from. Montreal steak spice. So let's get started with the first step. So what we're going to do, leave that there, mamas. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, you're gonna help mommy, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So I want to do it always. Okay.
Okay, no, you can't touch this, okay? Because it's yucky and it's dirty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean it. Okay, so don't touch. Mommy's gonna tell you when it's your turn, okay? So what we're gonna do is clean our chicken. So we're gonna clean it. So I'm going to place it in the bowl. Wait for mommy, okay? And then Azaria is gonna add the vinegar. Whoop.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Thank you, baby. So we're gonna add about half of the pack.
Yeah. I do help.
Yes, you're here to help. You're gonna help mommy. So hold on. Mommy's gonna wash her hands. Put the rest in the sink. Okay, 1 second. Mommy's gonna tell you what to do. No, don't touch it, please.
You don't touch it. I don't.
Okay, listen to mommy, all right? You're gonna hold this.
Okay.
Hold with 2 hands. Put it over the chicken. Mommy gonna add this, and then you're gonna pour it in. So this is just regular white vinegar. Put it inside. Good job, babe. More?
Water?
It's vinegar.
Water?
Put all of it. Good job. Thank you, babe.
Yeah.
So you don't need a measuring cup to add your vinegar. Just make it fun for her. So with clean hands, I'm just going to mix the chicken. You can't do this part, baby. It's too yucky. Mommy's gonna do it. You're gonna help me after put the spices, okay? So again, you just massage it. I made a mess? So you just massage it, make sure you get all over. And again, this is a very important step. Hello, we're back. So now we have our clean chicken, and Azaria is gonna help me put it in the bag. So you're gonna hold the bag for mommy? Okay. Seasoning. Yes, you're listening to mommy. Good job. So what we've done here is we've added all of our chicken into 2 bags. Clean chicken into 2 bags. So the next step, hold on baby, you're gonna help mommy. This is extra virgin olive oil. So we're gonna add this inside the bag. So again, no measurements here, just to make sure that it's all gonna be coated. Okay, hold on. Then do the other bag. Okay, go babe.
Okay.
So again, extra virgin olive oil. You can use any type of oil, honestly, but we're fans of the olive oil here. Perfect. So what we're gonna do, babe, we're gonna close the bag
Shake it.
and we're gonna shake it. Close the bag and look, I'm gonna shake it. Shake very well.
Oh, my hand.
No, you're not gonna put your hands in. You're gonna help mommy put this. So again, sorry, we're just gonna show everybody. This is Montréal steak spice. All right, Azaria is gonna do the honors.
Okay.
And you could be very generous here. Shake, babe. Shake, shake, shake. Go shake it all over inside. Yeah. More. Good job, babe. Okay. Wait, close it. Oh, it's okay. Mommy's gonna clean it after. Okay, put some in this one.
This one?
Open it. Shake, shake, shake. Good job. Okay, put some more.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Good.
Close it, please. And now we're gonna measure the garlic, okay? Good job, baby. This is garlic powder. You're gonna hold this one for mommy. Okay? And you're gonna put it in the bag. Put on top here. Perfect. Okay, put it in the bag. So this is 1 tablespoon. You tell everybody 1 tablespoon. Not the big one.
This one?
Again, if you're not a fan of garlic, you do not need to add this step, but we love garlic here, right?
Yes.
Add it in the bag, put it in the bag. Good job, babe. Okay, now what we're gonna do is
Shake.
shake, shake, shake. Okay, go ahead, baby. So again, we close it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the air from the bag. So we'll open it, and take out the air. Yeah, like that.
I put this one.
And we close it.
And
And what we're gonna do here, if you have enough time, you could even prepare these 24 hours in advance. So these are marinated, right, Azaria?
Yes.
And actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some green onions inside. Okay, so mommy, whoa, don't do that, please. Mommy's gonna cut them, and Azaria is gonna put them in the bag.
Okay. I don't know.
We don't need this right now. Put it here. Okay. So mommy's gonna cut it. Again, we pre-washed these before the video. No, mommy's not gonna hurt you. Okay. So I like to cut off the tips.
Okay.
Yes. And what I'm gonna do here, careful baby, wait a second, okay? I'm just gonna chop a little bit. And Azaria is gonna add it in the bag. Okay, here you go baby. Add this in the bag. Don't touch the chicken, okay? No, take it with your hands. Take it with your hands. And put it inside. Good job. All of it.
Shake it?
Yeah, you're gonna shake it again. All of it. Good job, my love. More? Look, a little bit more. Perfect. So mommy's gonna close it. And you're gonna shake it. And mommy's gonna cut some more for the other bag. Okay, massage it, shake it. Smash it. Okay, whoa, don't break the bag. Careful. She has a lot of frustration. This is a good release for children. Whoa, okay. Don't get carried away. You're gonna break the bag. So mommy's gonna cut some more for the other bag. Are you ready to put it inside? Okay. All done, that one? Okay, let's grab the other bag. No, you don't need to wash your hands yet. Okay, go ahead. Put it inside. Don't touch the chicken, okay? So this one's ready. So again, I'm gonna take out the air and I'm gonna seal it tightly. Oh, careful, careful. Here. Okay, so looks great. Marinated. Chicken wings. Next. Good job, babe. Okay, more. Good job. Okay, mommy's gonna shake, shake, shake it. You wanna shake, shake it too? Okay, mommy will let you do it. Okay, you shake, shake it while mommy goes to get something to wipe your hands. I'm gonna put this in the garbage. Go ahead, mix it. Did you shake, shake it? Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, give mommy a high five. Yes. We're gonna do this next, okay? So this you're gonna wipe your hands. Good job. Now again, we're taking out the air. Okay, thank you, baby. So what I'm going to do with both of these, right now it is 1 o'clock and Super Bowl's at 6. So I will be putting it in the fridge. We're gonna put it in the fridge.
Me too. I'll put it in the fridge.
Okay, until about 5 o'clock, and then we're gonna cook it in the air fryer.
Me too. I'll hold it.
Okay, 1 second, baby. Wait. If you don't have an air fryer, highly recommended. It is amazing. Now, if you do not have an air fryer, don't sweat. I actually, prior to getting an air fryer, used to bake them in the oven. So I bake them at 420 Fahrenheit for about, I believe, 15 to 20 minutes. And then I flip them and put them in again another 15 to 20 minutes. So depending on your oven, some are stronger than others. I like them really crispy. So if you don't like them crispy, you could leave them for less time. And yes, so we'll be back in a moment. We're gonna go put this in the fridge Welcome back. We put the chicken in the fridge in the fridge. We just put the chicken in the fridge. And now we are going to prepare the cucumber cacombe and so are we finished?
Yes.
Okay, so we're finished. So the final step will be just before we are going to be serving the wings. We will be using an air fryer. Now, once again, if you do not have an air fryer, you can use an oven. So we will be back to show you how we cook our chicken wings and the final step, but for now they're in the fridge marinating. So see you soon. Azaria, do you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you soon. I am minus my sous chef. Fortunately, she's having her nap right now. And I didn't want to keep you guys waiting because if you're getting this ready for Super Bowl, you definitely want to get it ready ASAP. So these are my 2 bags of chicken wings that have been marinating since 1 o'clock in the fridge in the bag. one at a time. I'm not gonna place both of them. You don't wanna, you can hear it sizzling. You don't wanna overload the air fryer. So here's my chicken wings. I'm gonna place them back in here. And I'll probably leave them in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm gonna give it a check after the first 5 minutes. I like to check every 5. The chicken wings are almost ready. So I'm going to be showing you guys the final steps of what I do to make my simple and easy chicken wings. So I do want to show you guys. Ooh, looking good. All right. So let me drop these in here. I did actually end up separating the batch that I put in here, only because I mentioned earlier I like them really crispy, and I was finding that there was too many in there to be able to get them to be as crispy as I like. So midway through, I separated them. So what I'm going to be doing is adding the other half back. Now these are, I wouldn't say fully cooked, but they're pretty much cooked. They're not raw. I would never separate them while they're raw. So I'm gonna finish cooking the other half of this. And in the meantime, I will show you the final step that I do for my chicken wings. Now you can totally eat them right now, they're good. I actually like to add a little bit of hot sauce to it, or even some sriracha, and I like to dip it in a little bit of lactose-free sour cream. I love it that way. But I will be honest, my family loves the barbecue sauce, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of barbecue sauce. Not too much, you don't wanna have it overbearing. You can always put some on the side to dip in if anybody likes to have it like really drenched. But what I do here, I take a big bowl and I like to toss it. All right, so pretty much ready. What I'm gonna do now is just, I prepared a little side plate with our carrots and cucumber from earlier, and I'm just gonna set them up nicely just so I could show you guys how easy it was to make this. And this is a great idea for a meal, especially for today on Super Bowl, and super easy to make and very tasty and pretty affordable. You don't need to go and purchase some wings from a restaurant. You can make them straight from home. So here you go, from my kitchen to yours, my quick and easy chicken wing recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy Super Bowl tonight. And just so you all know, I'm going for the Chiefs because I am not a Tom Brady fan. So enjoy and have a great night and enjoy Super Bowl.